Once upon a time in the peaceful village of Maple, there was a young girl named Leah. She was known for her kindness and insatiable curiosity. The village elders often told stories about a mystical forest located not far away. This forest, they said, was home to magical creatures and a legendary dragon named Drakos, guardian of an ancient treasure. One day, a great drought struck the village, drying up the rivers and endangering the harvests. The desperate villagers turned to the elders for a solution. They spoke of a magical spring hidden in the mystical forest, capable of bringing back water and fertility. Determined to help her village, Leah decided to search for the magical spring. Although her parents were worried, they knew Leah was brave and kind-hearted. They gave her a silver compass, a family heirloom, supposed to guide her in times of doubt. Accompanied by her faithful dog, Milo, Leah ventured into the mystical forest. The trees were gigantic, and their leaves shimmered with an emerald light. The forest was beautiful but also hid secrets and unexpected challenges. As she explored the forest, Leah encountered various magical creatures. She saved a giant firefly trapped in a spider's web. In gratitude, the firefly offered her a luminous pearl capable of dispelling darkness. She also helped a silver fox wounded by a poisonous thorn. The fox, grateful, gave her a protective silver talisman. Leah's kindness towards the forest creatures made them accept her as an ally. A wise owl named Orion gave her valuable advice and warned her of the dangers ahead. Deep in the forest, Leah finally arrived at the cave of Drakos, the legendary dragon. The cave was guarded by magical thorns and protective spirits. Leah knew she had to prove her worth to get Drakos' help. "Why have you come here, little human?" roared Drakos, his scales sparkling like precious stones. "Only pure hearts can hope to receive my aid." Undeterred, Leah explained her village's plight and asked Drakos to help her find the magical spring. The dragon, moved by her courage and sincerity, proposed a trial. Drakos led Leah to an enchanted lake, whose waters reflected the stars of the sky. "To prove your purity," he said, "dive into this lake and find the pearl of the heart, hidden in its depths." Leah dived without hesitation, using the firefly's luminous pearl to light her way. She faced strong currents and magical marine creatures, but her determination never wavered. Finally, she found the pearl of the heart, which shone with a soft, warm light. Impressed by Leah's bravery and kindness, Drakos agreed to show her the magical spring. He led her to a hidden clearing, where a crystalline fountain sprang from the ground. Leah filled a vial with the magical water and thanked Drakos with all her heart. Leah and Milo returned to the village with the vial of magical water. When she poured the water into the dried-up river, it began to flow again with renewed force. The fields turned green, and the harvests came back to life.